Most people still think AI is just ChatGPT answering questions in a browser, but the entire industry just shifted into something way bigger and way more dangerous. The AI landscape is moving insanely fast right now, and we're officially entering the era of AI agents, systems that don't just respond to prompts, but actually do work for you in the background. Google I/O 2026 just proved this. Google didn't launch another chatbot. They launched an entire agentic ecosystem powered by Gemini. They introduced Gemini 3.5 Flash, a ridiculously fast and cheap model optimized for coding and long multi-step tasks, and it's already becoming the default brain behind Gemini and Google Search. Then Google revealed Gemini Spark, which honestly feels like the beginning of AI employees. Instead of asking AI one question at a time, you can now give it an entire mission, like monitoring a project, fixing code, updating Jira tickets, organizing launch timelines across docs and sheets, and it coordinates everything in the background while only asking for approval before high-risk actions. That's not a chatbot anymore. That's an operating system. And then Google dropped Gemini Omni, a multimodal model family built to generate and remix text, audio, and video simultaneously, which is now getting integrated directly into YouTube Shorts and Google Flow. But the craziest update might actually be search itself. Google just redesigned search for the first time in like 25 years. The search box is turning into an intelligent command center, where you can drop text, videos, files, images, even entire browser tabs, and now AI search agents can monitor things in the background for you, like ticket prices, product drops, and live changes across the internet. And if that wasn't futuristic enough, Google also teased Android XR smart glasses with Samsung, Gentle Monster, and Warby Parker, where Gemini can literally see what you see through built-in cameras and answer questions in real time. We are dangerously close to having AI assistants living beside us all day. Meanwhile, OpenAI is not slowing down at all. They quietly replaced the default ChatGPT model with GPT 5.5 Instant, which comes directly after GPT 5.5 shattered intelligence benchmarks across the industry. The instant version is insanely fast and massively reduces hallucinations in high-stakes areas like coding, law, and finance. But the biggest news isn't even technical, it's financial. Reports are saying OpenAI is preparing for a confidential IPO that could value the company at over $1 trillion, putting them in a historic race with Elon Musk's SpaceX for one of the biggest public offerings ever. And while everyone online keeps arguing about ChatGPT versus Gemini, Anthropic has been silently taking over the enterprise world. Claude models recently surpassed OpenAI in business adoption for the first time, and companies are moving toward Claude because it's safer, more literal, and way more reliable for sensitive work. Their latest model, Claude Opus 4.7, is becoming the favorite for developers and enterprises that need low-risk code generation and precise instruction following. Anthropic is also partnering with giants like KPMG and PwC to integrate Claude directly into enterprise delivery systems. But honestly, the biggest technical shockwave right now might not even come from Google, OpenAI, or Anthropic. A startup called Subquadratic just launched Sub-Q1M Preview, the first commercial non-transformer large language model. That sounds nerdy until you realize what it means. Traditional AI models are hitting scaling limits, so the industry is now shifting from how big can we make models to how efficient and intelligent can we make the architecture. Sub-Q can process massive datasets like entire codebases, huge books, and structural databases, with a native context window of 12 million tokens, while running at roughly 1/5 the cost of traditional frontier models. That changes everything. The AI war is no longer just about chatbots. It's about infrastructure, agents, chips, architecture, operating systems, and who controls the layer between humans and the internet. And honestly, most people still haven't realized how massive this shift really is. Most creators are still posting basic, top 5 AI tools videos, while billion-dollar companies are racing to build the next intelligence layer for humanity. We are watching one of the biggest technology transitions in history happen in real time. Follow Kartik Malik if you want to stay ahead before this becomes normal.